Hello Internet, and welcome to another chat from the engineering desk. Today we're going to talk about that little short that I made earlier this week about this 1.28 inch Waveshare LCD. So that's the SPI connections over there as per that drawing. And then additionally we've got going to pin 2 the temperature sensor, the DS18B20 sensor, which is mounted on the RTC, the DS1307, which is not fitted with it when you buy it, but has provision to populate it. So that's pin 2 to the sensor, and A4 and 5 I2C to the RTC itself. So let's have a look at the code. So the libraries you need are wire.h, rtclib.h, 1y.h, dlstemperature.h, LCD driver.h, GI paint.h. Temp sensors on pin 2 as we said. There's your RTC over there. Initialize the temperature sensor, and then there, if it interrogates the RTC to see if it's running. If not, it writes the timestamp from the compiled time to the RTC. That's how it sets it up. Then the LCD is next. So it's configure net, LCD net, set the backlight brightness, which is a PWM signal. Print new image. It then writes green to the display, makes the background green, and there's a half a second wait. Next it reads the temperature from the DELA sensor, and it reads the time from the DS1307. What it then does is it formats the time and date that it read from the RTC into a string. Okay, it passes it into a string. The temperature is passed into a string as well. Okay, going back here, starting at that position, it prints that string over there. So it's white text onto a black background. That's how it does that. The font size is 24. To see what font sizes are available, you go into the library and have a look there. Next up, having passed a string for the temperature, it writes a string for the temperature. It then writes degree C after that, and then it draws that entire string. So as you saw, you had the black background with the time, and then you had the white background with blue text for the temperature. Then there's a 0.1 second or 100 millisecond delay, and it loops around again. So that's what's going on in that display. Fairly straightforward. Right, that's it, we're done here. Thanks for being here, ladies and gentlemen. Have an awesome day further. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope this is what you wanted to learn from it. Take care. I'll see you next time for more awesome stuff. Right, bye.